it's this transition Google's making with sideloading, where you have to be a fully KYC'd verified developer in order to sideload, which is not sideloading at all, let's be honest. And they have made allowances with what's called a hobbyist license. And a hobbyist license will have limits on the number of installs. Not quite clear, but it's going to be probably around 10,000 installs. So that, like, for this show wouldn't even work. Like, if we released an app for this show, we couldn't even use the hobbyist. And a lot of open source developers would be in that position. So a gentleman's come along with a theory, and he's sort of posted a rough idea, and he's looking for community input on a way, theoretically, to circumvent this developer verification system. And he says, my vision is to distribute a verified loader APK, which in turn dynamically loads any APK the user wants. The user obtains the loader APK, and once they load an app they can then load an app without installing it as much as they want. And he mentions Davik has native dynamic code execution support, so any APK can be loaded from some zip, APK, or DEX file. You can do it from external storage on the device, etc. And it would mean, quote, that we could natively load the APK info memory and execute any code inside the target APK, and we're not altering the original code signature or the loader. The author highlights that Android's activity management is highly complex and also inconsistent across different versions. And so getting this just right on different versions would be difficult. There's some edge cases with security that would be difficult. There are some APIs perhaps that could solve some of this, but it wouldn't solve it completely. So he's essentially looking for input on this idea of something that does get KYC that's like a loader APK. Now, obviously, this could be dangerous, but the upside would be you get this loader APK through some sort of verified method, and then you could sideload any open source APK you want.
Until Google blocks it. And then you have to find the next one and the next one. So